Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.
My brother, my sister, beware of fake friends. So this video you are about to watch now is about a young boy like that who went to a native doctor for money ritual, and the native doctor asked him the person he want to use, and he said that he want to use his father for money ritual. And the native doctor told him that his father's spirit is strong and he cannot use him, that he should choose another person. This young boy chose one of his friends called Godwin, and the native doctor asked him to call the Godwin for many times and use a knife to choke him on the mirror which he gave him. And this young boy did exactly what he was asked to do. I want you to watch the video by yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button for more updates.
You know, my internet network is very bad. So what is there is that the network not spoil the other one. Here is here. Now we'll do the second one. As you carry this knife now, you see, as your passport is strong.
Yes, sir.
Who you want to use again?
Yeah, with my friend.
Your friend.
Yes, sir.
Where in there?
Yes.
What's him be his name?
Godwin.
You know Godwin?
I don't know Godwin.
You don't know him?
No.
You want to give away? You don't know him?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
You don't know Godwin?
No, sir.
You don't know him?
Yes, sir.
What is how you and Godwin take relate when you say as your passport is strong to kill, to make money, as here at Central Bank or CBN? You see me finish with me when they here, so they do my juju work. Now Godwin, what him be Godwin surname?
Yeah.
You know Godwin surname? You don't know him?
No, sir.
No, only Godwin you know. Now you and Godwin to become friend.
My friend, we work out with the friend they gather.
Okay, if I give you something now when you put food, you put on you go give him a bit.
Yes, sir.
If you give him a dime,
Yes, sir.
you make money.
Yes, sir.
Good. You see, you get mine true. Shout money again.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
You need money.
Yes, sir.
Wealth.
Yes, sir.
Good. Hey, are you praying? You girls say no one use you. It's like you want use now. No use you. Money will just full here. When you get luck, sure you like them.
Yes, sir.
You know what use them, Adi?
Yes, sir.
He hair strong. Your upper hair strong, though.
Yes, sir.
Your upper hair those strong knife, or don't die. So now Godwin you won't use.
Yes, sir.
Carry knife. Oh yeah, wait till they come.
Yes, sir.
If I say you shoot Godwin, call him 4 times. Call him.
Godwin.
Carry your knife up now.
Godwin.
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 Say morning.
Money.
Say for meter.
Money.
Say for meter.
Vomita.
So if you shoot him now, you go Godwin go die, Abi.
Yes, sir.
If you make him die there,
Yes, sir.
so you get money.
Yes, sir.
You sure say you want you shoot him.
Yes, sir.
If you shoot him,
Yes, sir.
I chook. You get wine though. So you want to come. So if Godwin die now, make you get money. Give my knife. Now you will use the money now. Then done. Now you will use. Sit down for a year, they're done. New done now, why you want beg? Hands up. As you won't kill your papa. Your papa is strong. You won't kill Godwin. I know what make you kill Godwin because now you are more no. See. Now you will use. You know what I tell you so? Make it say as it be. Abi? I think your mind use won't use God. You know use them now. What do you know? Why is that one leave you make you day? So you go testify to your people for village. Say this one. You won't kill God, you kill him, Papa. So I will use them to do experiment. Never answer.
My name is Oku.
Keep your knife, keep your cloth. Like that, make I cut your head. I say, okay, Papa.
Kill your clothes.
Say, okay, Papa.
I beg.
Say, okay, Papa. Now make we kill you now.
I beg.
Why you collect this knife, kill him?
I beg.
Let's kill him. What do you mean, please?
I beg, sir.
Why are you begging me?
I beg, sir. I beg.
Why you won't beg me? Make me use you do the money. I won't get money. Me when you come for. No. So if I allow you now, you key your papa. Carry this mirror when I say your father for inside this mirror. Carry cloth, cover them. Say me you choke him, make him die. You do attempt, I collect my say your fire is strong. Say now, okay, maybe what you want to bring against them. What do you talk? Speak louder.
Say now God dream.
Say now what in?
God dream.
God win.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to use do money, have you?
Yeah, that's what he said.
That's what he said. Now, as you want to God win, I say hold up.
Yes, sir.
But I don't make God win die. Now him the spirit say we use.
I beg, sir.
Spirit say make I use you.
I beg, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I beg, sir. I beg, sir.
Make I use you. Make I use.
I beg.
Spirit say that you go use.
I beg.
Why they beg me now?
I beg.
Why they beg me?
I beg.
Next time,
Yes,
no near here say one ritual.
Yes, sir.
Come on, pick up. Come on, pick up my so you put in the poala. Come on, put it in your head. Next time, if you try and come on, put your eyes up. You see more why? Go back and see your eyes up. I'm the money. Say I'm the money ritual.
I know the money.
Say I'm not going to do money ritual.
I know the money.
Say I'm for lago. Say Ofia for lago.
Pastor for lago.
You wouldn't never. Come on, go back and see. Say Ofia for lago. Ofia wouldn't. Say Ofia.
Ofia.
Here, we go water and young way. So Ofia for lago.
Ofia for lago.
Sim Ofia for lago. Ofia for lago.
Ofia for lago.
Come knock him for head. Knock him like 10 times. You know what I kill him. Knock him like 10 times for your head. But I know you don't know how to knock this one. Knock him well. Come on. Oh, come on, knock him well. Come on, knock him well. 1, 2. Oh yeah, knock him knock you. Knock him well. Knock him well. I move the heart. Knock him well. Knock him well. No. Knock him well. Knock him well. Computer is you do hand like this, Adi. Eh? Why you? Knock him well 10 times. It never even counts. Yeah, like this. Come on, knock him. Now lie. Never knock him. Come on, put your hand. Knock him well. Computer is. Now, all we go one day, one night. If you wouldn't night. And my work is not the mouth here. Now, touch it. Come on, knock him well. Knock him. Receive sense. Say receive sense.
Receive sense.
Say receive sense.
Receive sense.
Say receive sense. Say receive sense. Say receive sense. Say receive sense. Say receive sense. Say receive sense.
Receive sense.
Knock him well.
Receive sense.
Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense.
Receive sense.
Receive sense. Receive sense.
Receive sense.
Holy. Receive sense.
Receive sense.
Receive sense. Aya.
Receive sense.
Knock him well.
Receive sense.
Knock him well. Come on your hand. Hold your hand.
Receive
Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Go and walk. Go and walk. Go and walk.
Receive sense.
No be so.
Receive sense. I'm still doing this, sir. I'm still
Do
doing
it where?
Receive sense.
Do it like this. Receive sense.
Okay.
Where?
Okay.
Hold your hand. Say receive sense.
Receive sense. Receive sense.
No more rituals.
Yes. Receive sense.
Yes, you do hand.
Receive
Come on, do your
sense.
hand.
I'm still doing this.
No, do your hand. This hand is paying you. Say receive sense.
Receive sense.
Wait. Receive sense.
Receive sense.
Receive sense.
Receive
Receive sense. Receive sense. Say holy. Go and learn work. I'm like one of the rituals. Go and hustle. One of the rituals. Say the wrong word. Okay, one man use cutlass. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Receive sense. Come on, hold your hand. You want my guy? I am. Say receive sense. I receive. Remove your hand. Say from today. You know kill your papa.
I know kill my papa.
Open your hand. You know kill God win.
I know kill God win.
Come open your hand. You know kill your mama.
I know kill my mama.
Say receive sense.
Receive sense.
From today.
For today.
Say holy.
Holy.
Come on back here. Say receive sense.
Receive sense.
Can't kill your mother.
I can't kill my mother.
Can't kill your father.
I don't kill my father.
You can't kill your father and do juju.
I can't kill my father. Do juju.
Can't kill your brothers.
I can't kill my brother.
If you do them,
If I do am,
you go die.
I go die.
Go open your hand. Receive sense.
I receive.
Receive
I
sense.
receive, sir.
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 Receive
I
sense.
receive, sir. I receive. I receive.
Stand up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Come on. You won't go where?
I don't go, sir.
I stand here. Come by and do your hand like this. From today,
For today,
what is your name?
for free.
Godfrey. Any day
Any day.
when you go in the house, go in the house.
Any day we are.
You go in the house.
Any day we are go let's go to our house.
Let it go to house.
Let's go to
Say one go do one ritual.
I will go do
Say one go kill your papa.
I will go kill my papa.
Say you go die that very day.
I go that very day.
You must die that very day.
I must die that
Come,
very
I
day.
give you quite strong. You must die that very day.
I must die that very
Open your
day.
hand. You must die that very day.
I must die that
You will not kill somebody.
I not kill somebody.
You will not use somebody for money ritual.
I know somebody for
You will not use anybody's pass
I know somebody pass.
to do any juju.
To do any juju.
I lick am for your mouth. Wow. Lick am again. If you try am,
If I fire,
you go die that very day.
I go die that
So you
very
must
day.
hustle.
I must hustle.
You must make money.
I must make
But you will not kill somebody.
I not kill
Lick
somebody.
am. I am that again. Second missionary. Face like this. What do you carry you come here? What do you want me to do for you? What do you make I do for you?
Sir, no.
What do you tell me to make I do for you?
No blood money, sir.
Blood,
Money.
blood.
Money.
Talk out loud.
Money.
Now I want to ask you whether who you want to use.
Yes, sir.
Who you say you want to use?
I tell you, I always my father.
Your papa?
Yes, sir.
Your papa?
Yes, sir.
Your papa?
Yes, sir.
I can't ask you whether, okay, I can't do this knife. I give you a knife, Abi. What the knife do? Come on, bring this knife. Bring that knife. You know the zero do. I'm not going to use this and wipe your head. Hold on. I just say this one a mirror.
Yes,
say
sir.
if you put this mirror, say your papa will appear. Maybe you cover them with cloth, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you stab and make your papa die.
Yes,
For
sir.
village, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Good. Keep up for here.
Yes, sir.
Then I give you knife. Say,
Yes,
it doesn't, I don't say your papa spirit is strong, Abi.
Yes, sir. Now, so
I say, who you want kill? Say, na who?
I'm father.
Who again? You don't say you want kill again.
My friend.
Well, friend, what is your friend name?
Godwin.
Make you stab and make him die, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Say you want stab him.
Yes, sir.
I hold your hand.
Yes, sir.
Good. We let the keep us for here.
Yes, sir.
Now you want kill now.
I beg, sir.
No, the spirit say now you will
I beg,
use.
sir.
I won't get money me. I don't get money. I don't get bicycle.
I beg,
I don't get tipper.
I beg,
I
sir.
don't get motor. And as I dey here now, God, now carry you come.
I beg,
Make
sir.
I use you do the money.
I beg, sir. I beg.
So now me, I won't become